In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Cloudflare site. Whether you're transitioning to another service, cleaning up your dashboard, or simply no longer need a domain connected to Cloudflare. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's a straightforward procedure, but there are a few important details to pay attention to along the way. So grab your computer and let's get started. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to successfully remove a site from Cloudflare. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare dashboard using your credentials. This is your central hub for managing all the domains and settings linked to your Cloudflare account. Make sure you're logging in with the account that has access to the domain you want to remove. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're using the right one for the domain in question. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a list of all the domains currently managed under your Cloudflare account. This list typically appears on the main dashboard. It's an overview of everything you have set up within Cloudflare, which makes it easy to find the domain you want to work with. Take a moment to locate the domain that you're planning to remove. If you have many domains, you can use the search or filtering options to quickly narrow things down. After identifying the domain you want to remove, click on it. This action will take you to the domain's overview page, where you can see all the details and settings associated with that specific site. This is the central control panel for the selected domain, so everything you need to manage or remove it can be found here. Now, on the overview page, you'll need to scroll down until you reach a section labeled Advanced Actions. This section is where you'll find the option to remove the site from Cloudflare. It's worth noting that this area contains some powerful tools, so make sure you're in the right section before proceeding. Take your time to locate the Remove Site from Cloudflare option. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Remove Site from Cloudflare. At this point, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is an important step because it ensures you're removing the correct site and helps prevent accidental deletions. Carefully review the information in the confirmation prompt. Double-check that the domain listed matches the one you intend to remove. If everything looks correct and you're sure about your decision, proceed with confirming the removal. However, if you're on an enterprise plan and the option to remove the site isn't available, don't worry. In this case, you'll first need to downgrade the domain to a free plan. This is a necessary step because some features of the enterprise plan can restrict removal actions. To downgrade, navigate to the billing or subscription settings for the domain and adjust the plan to the free tier. Once that's done, you'll be able to proceed with removing the site from Cloudflare as previously described. After completing all the necessary steps, your site will be successfully removed from Cloudflare. You'll no longer see it listed in your account, and Cloudflare will no longer manage the domain. Keep in mind that this process is permanent, so be certain before confirming removal. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a site from Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.